Hola everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you and your families are staying as safe and as healthy as possible during these times. I also want to say thank you for you guys taking the time to subscribe to the channel and like and comment and do all that good stuff for your girl. I truly appreciate you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, then what are y'all waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you get alerted of when I post any kind of new video. So today I'm going to be trying for the first time applying magnetic eyelashes. So if you're interested in watching an unboxing by the brand Ardell, yeah, just stay tuned, okay? Alright guys, so I did purchase these on Ulta.com. They cost $15. I thought it was going to take a lot longer for the shipping due to everything that's going on, but it actually was here in like 5 days, so that was pretty good. This is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, it comes with a magnetic gel liner in black. It comes with your eyeliner brush and the little eyelashes right there. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the gel liner. It's your typical little pot. Oops. I could open it. The little gel liner, that's what that looks like. Your little brush, it is actually kind of tiny, so I don't know, I hope whoever's going to be using it, well, of course me, has really good fine motor, because this thing is really tiny. And like I said, it's the 2 lashes, and it looks like it has, I'm going to just kind of pop one of these off of here, and it looks like, as you can see, I'm going to hold it up like this. These don't come with it, but I just kind of want to see if you guys can see that it actually comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 little magnets on the eyelash itself. Like I mentioned previously, I have never applied magnetic eyelashes before. This is the first time ever trying it, so I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited, because I've heard good and bad things about them, period. I'm just going to jump straight into it. Let me go ahead and turn on a little bit of light. Basically what it says on the packaging is that you apply 2 coats of the magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line, and then you just place the magnetic eyelashes on. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this. Wish me luck. I'm not going to be doing any kind of like line, like wing line or anything like that. I'm literally just going to apply this and see how it is. Okay, so that is kind of how the line works right now. I'm actually going to let it sit a little bit till it gets a little tackier. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just demonstrate it on my hand so you guys can kind of see what the line looks like. The consistency is pretty good. The black is actually very nice. So just to see before, I'm going to go ahead and take this eyelash. If I could get that out, that'd be great. Hold on. And I'm going to apply it here just to kind of see exactly if it's going to work on the eyeliner itself. So as you can see, it stuck. Look at that. Now, I don't know how good it's actually going to stick. I'm going to go ahead and do this and do a little pull. That should pull right off in my eyes, as you guys can see that. I don't know if it's that I still have to wait a little bit of time on this one, but I see and I feel the pull, but it doesn't feel like it's that magnetic. I don't know. I'm going to wait for it to dry, but in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and try to apply these. Okay, so definitely a little hint for you guys. If you guys do use this one, just be very cautious, because obviously this is actually sticking to the eyelash, which I didn't really even think about. This is my own personal one, but I wanted to be able to kind of apply it on properly. And as soon as I put it on there, it looks like it kind of connected to the eyelash. So, I mean, to the magnet. So it looks like it's on, but honestly, it doesn't feel like it's very secure. It looks pretty, but it's not wowing, I guess you could say. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. I'm going to apply that one and see what happens. Alright, so I went ahead and I put one I guess, line of this one. And what I did realize is that it said to apply 2 coats. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove the one that I applied on my left. I want to see exactly how much it feels like to take it off. So as you can see, the magnet is there. It did apply. It just didn't feel very, very sturdy. So I'm going to go ahead and apply now the second coat. The first line is still pretty good. I'm just going to go ahead and apply this one and see. And while I let that dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply the second layer to the other one. Now, a quick little tip, if you have a better eyeliner brush that's better than this, or maybe a little bit longer, that'd probably be very beneficial because you don't have to be so precise on the eye. And this starts to build up kind of thick, so it might actually help to use a different one. Alright, once again, let's try the left eye now that this one has dried out a little bit. You know what? Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in a little bit. It feels definitely more secure. So where I messed up the first time, which obviously you gotta try to learn, is that you definitely need to apply 2 coats. I did the first and I applied it. I think I got too ahead of myself. So let me go ahead and put the other one on, the right one, and apply that one. Oh yeah, you could totally feel, you could feel the difference for sure when you apply that second layer. So let me go ahead and pull them a little bit and see what you guys think. This one doesn't look as outward as the other one does. All right, so let me go ahead and do this. Oh, this one keeps snapping on me. There it is. Okay. Let me go ahead and give you guys a little close-up of my eyes. Definitely feels more secure with both lines on. This one though, here in the middle, it's not connecting the little magnet. It almost looks like it's a little bit crooked. Maybe that's the reason why it's not sticking the way it should. But I mean, overall, I don't mind it. I can see how some people who might have different shapes eyes, they could be a little bit longer or a little bit shorter, because I feel like mine actually could be a little bit longer in length. For the people who have smaller eyes and actually have to cut off a little bit of it, just make sure that you're not taking out the magnet itself. You're gonna have to cut a little bit before the magnet ends in order to better suit your eye. Overall, they're not bad. Are they wowing to me? Not really, but I suck at regular lashes, so I definitely think that this is a quick fix for you to just kind of apply some liner really fast and apply them on. And obviously, eyelashes always make your eye look stand out a little bit more. So I don't think they're horrible. Another pro, just so you guys do know, is that for these eyelashes, they said that you could wear them probably more than 5 times, opposed to the ones that with the regular lash glue, those are only about 3 to 4 times. So that's another plus to have. 15 bucks is really not too bad. Yeah, so I don't know what you guys think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wear them for the rest of the day, and I'm going to apply a little timestamp right about here to let you guys know how long they actually lasted before they start to give out on me. So yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys. Let me know what you guys think of it. This is my first time. Let me know how I did, and also let me know if you guys have any suggestions for anything else that you want me to unbox and give you a first impression on. So I mean, I like them, but they could be better. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. I really, really appreciate you guys. Muchas gracias, and have a good day. Ciao.